I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Britt, I'm super excited. We have a 2-bed, 2-bath ready to show everybody.
I cannot wait. Let's go check them out.
Beachy Beach.
So Heather, I'm super excited to check out this little 2-bedroom on Pine Tree, west end of Panama City Beach.
Yes.
Easy access to shopping, no HOA. What, like a couple blocks to the sands?
Golf cart, or just get there however you please.
Perfect location. Hang out on the west end of Panama City Beach, or you could trot on over to 30A.
You're right here on the county line next to Publix. It's perfect. Let's go show them.
Hey there. I just walked up the adorable front porch of this cute little 2-bedroom in Panama City Beach, taking in the living room right now. Lots of natural light coming in from the windows. No carpet to worry about through this main area. You walk in to the dining area, that little nook behind the living room space. Beautiful natural light coming in from double doors, overlooking a very spacious backyard with a kitchen just behind me with just enough space to do what you need. Let's go check in with Heather and see what she has to say.
Thanks, Britt. Welcome into the main ensuite of this 2-bed unit. I love the porch just like you do. And in here, I know I always talk about space, but let's just think about this. If you're in a 2-bed, you wanna make sure that there's enough space for everyone to enjoy and not be bumping elbows. And you do have that in this one as well. This room has the ensuite, and then there is another guest bathroom for everybody else. And it is just perfect for your family. You can live here. This can be your second home, or it can also be a vacation rental. We are on the south side of 98, and the beach is just a few minutes up the way. So for more information, look in the description below. I have the listing link there for you to check out any more details.
Absolutely. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com. You don't want to miss out on any future deals in Panama City Beach.